To create your account, click Register button. Enter your name, email address, password, confirm your password, and click Register. Also, you can sign up using Google. Just click Continue with Google and your account will be created. So click Register. After registration, you will be redirected to your dashboard. From there, you can manage your profile, create orders, and track your projects. That's it, your account is ready. How to create a retouching order. After logging in, go to your dashboard and click Create Order. Upload your image files. Just use drag and drop feature or click on the area and select your files. Then specify all the required information. Title can be skipped. Specify units, width, height, DPI, final format, and halo option. Also select background option, without background, with background, or other, and specify your requirements. And also select crop option, chest up, full size, or other option, and specify your requirements in the field. Also, you can add description, it's optional, so if you have any additional specifications, just describe them in this field. And then click Submit Order. Your order will appear in your dashboard where you can track its status. How to add funds to your balance. To add funds, open the balance section in your account. There you can see your current balance and transaction history. You can top up your balance using one of these methods manually. After top up, contact us using support ticket from here or from here. Just click Support. Subject: Top up. You may specify some information in the description field. Or you can attach your screenshot with your payment. Then send to support. Once the payment is confirmed, the balance will be updated by our team. After that, you can use your available balance for the future orders. How to receive your retouched photo. When your order is completed, you will see the updated status in your dashboard. Also, you will receive notification and email notification. Open the order to review final files. Just click Order ID. You can preview the files online and download them to your device. If changes are needed, you can request revisions directly from the order page. If everything looks good, simply download the final result and use it in your work.